Hey WCA, Miss Amanda here.
And I'm Miss Amanda over here.
Here to share about an exciting initiative coming to WCA. The Early Learning Coalition recently awarded us a $1,000 grant to build an outdoor garden. So Miss Amanda is our resident green thumb and garden enthusiast, so naturally connected with this exciting learning opportunity. The tools and resources that you see here were purchased with that grant money and are some of the basics to get us started. So Miss Amanda, tell us about some of the hands-on learning opportunities students are going to have in our garden.
I'm super excited about this garden project. It is an outdoor hands-on classroom where the children will learn about the environment, how plants are grown, and to watch the seeds and the sprout. We're going to plant them and hopefully eat these foods, and children can learn about also healthy eating habits.
I love your passion and enthusiasm for this project, and I know that that's going to transfer over to our students. So what are some of the first steps? When can we see our garden come to life?
It's going to come alive immediately. Definitely, the children this summer are going to be rolling up their sleeves and putting down the dirt. We'll start some seedlings, and it'll grow from there.
Awesome. And in the fall, we have some amazing opportunities coming in the fall too, because we're actually going to launch our Nature's Classroom. So once a week, our VPK and 3-year-old classrooms will go out for a special time with Miss Amanda for some very specific learning and lessons, and just kind of watch our garden grow and be hands-on with projects, arts, crafts,
Yes.
books,
Yes.
dirt, worms, all the fun things.
Yes, I say we have a compost bin. We're going to learn about composting. We're going to make a fairy garden, a rock garden, see how vegetables grow. We're going to take care of our animals. We have birdhouse and bird seeds, and it's just going to be an awesome, awesome hands-on classroom outside.
Awesome. Well, we can't wait. So while the initial grant is a beautiful foundation, we still have many additional needs to help build our Nature's Classroom. And we're also going to have some ongoing needs just to kind of help us maintain it for the curriculum to be ongoing. So everything from soil and books to simple recyclables that families can donate around the house. So tell us about some of the resources that we're going to need to help finish and bring this project really to life.
Yes. Also, we have an Amazon wish list, and it's called WCA. What is it called? Garden Classroom.
WCA Garden Classroom.
Yes, yes. And from there you can buy books, seeds, soil, and other needed things. You can also buy us Amazon gift cards if you would like to keep it simple, or Home Depot cards, because we're constantly going to need dirt, fertilizer, and seeds and other large projects or big ticket items that we need.
Yeah, one of the first things we're looking to purchase is kind of a fencing to help block off the area, protect it from some wildlife, because we have the beautiful conservation behind us, but also for some of the little ones who go out there and just kind of like to grab and pull. So that's one of the big ticket items that you're going to see on our Amazon wish list. You'll also get a flyer home pretty soon that'll have a link to that wish list. So yeah, we're also going to need volunteers. So Ms. Amanda, tell us about how some of our parents can jump in and help us.
Yes, if you have a green thumb or a master gardener, we would love your help just organizing and designing this garden. Also, if you just like to paint, and we're going to be making a caterpillar planter, which will be a lot of fun over the summer. And if you would like to, if you're a builder, like building garden boxes, we would love your talents to come help us put this together.
Awesome. So God is magnificent, and the intricacies of his creation just provide endless opportunities for learning. So we're thrilled for this opportunity. We can't wait to see your vision come to life, and for our WCA students to just share in your love for gardening. So thank you, Miss Amanda.
You're welcome. Thank you.